Today we talk about how can you change language on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on your photo profile here, it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it, and it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on general, you just click on it. Then you come here to app language, just click here on app language here. So then here can you select here your language you want to add on your collab. So that's all you have to do. Here can you find a lot of languages here, can you change. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like